Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Exodus to Coinbase in 2026. If you want to transfer crypto from Exodus to Coinbase in 2026, here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, open your Coinbase app or website and log in. Go to Receive and choose the crypto you want to transfer like Bitcoin or USDT. Coinbase will show you a wallet address and sometimes a QR code. Make sure you select the correct network. This is very important because sending on the wrong network can result in lost funds. Now, open your Exodus wallet. Tap the crypto you want to send, then hit Send. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Double check every character, or better yet, use copy and paste to avoid mistakes. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the network and fees, then confirm the transaction. After sending, wait for a few network confirmations, and this can take a few minutes to longer depending on the blockchain. Once it's confirmed, your crypto will appear in your Coinbase account automatically.